Right now, I'm actually terrified. I'm really scared. Tonight, it's going to snow up to 30 centimeters. In fact, not even tonight. It's supposed to start in an hour at 6 p.m. I made it through a couple days of pouring rain and freezing rain before, but this actually scares me. It's going to be my first snowfall out here. So right now, I'm doing the only thing I can do, is I'm hoping for the best but preparing for the worst. I'm going to where I know I can get a bunch of wood and bring it back to camp. I'm lucky now that I've got a small hobo fireplace, and hopefully that'll keep me warm. I'm gonna go out, and tonight I've got my backpack with me and gonna fill it up with wood so I can make it through the night. I'm actually terrified. I know I'm in a bad situation. I've got very limited supplies, and I'm scared. I still need to find a way to get a good winter jacket. Oh. But yeah, I'll make it. I'm going to be running that fire all night long. I appreciate you guys watching, giving the likes and all the support and the care. I really appreciate it. And I've been suggested several times to put a PayPal or a GoFundMe in my YouTube profile, and to me that's just very embarrassing and not even that humiliating, and I still have too much pride, but I know if I don't, I'm going to not make it. There's no pressure. No pressure to anyone, but I did put a PayPal link in my YouTube profile. Don't feel any pressure at all. We're all just struggling, you know. But if you would, give a like, and if you're not subscribed, please do. That would help me out even better. You guys take care.